Are you tired of playing the same old chords and melodies on your guitar? Do you yearn to create something unique and mesmerizing? If so, it's time to unlock your creativity and delve into the world of fingerstyle guitar songwriting. With these 5 tips, you'll be able to craft captivating melodies that will leave listeners in awe. Experiment with alternate tunings. One way to break free from the confines of traditional chord progressions is by exploring alternate tunings. By changing the tuning of your guitar strings, you open up a whole new realm of possibilities for creating intriguing melodies. Try experimenting with open tunings such as dadgad or drop D tuning to discover fresh sounds that will inspire your songwriting process. Embrace dynamic fingerpicking patterns. Fingerpicking is an essential technique in fingerstyle guitar playing, but don't limit yourself to repetitive patterns. To truly captivate listeners, embrace dynamic fingerpicking patterns that add depth and complexity to your melodies. Experiment with different combinations of thumb plucks, arpeggios, and harmonics to create intricate layers within your compositions. Incorporate slides and hammer-ons. Slides and hammer-ons are embellishments that can bring life and character to your melodies. Instead of solely relying on straightforward note progression, incorporate slides between notes or use hammer-ons for added flair. These techniques add a touch of expressiveness that can make all the difference in crafting a mesmerizing melody. Explore unconventional rhythms. While it's easy to fall into familiar rhythmic patterns when composing music, breaking away from convention can lead you down exciting paths towards innovation. Experiment with unconventional rhythms by incorporating syncopation or odd time signatures into your compositions. This will give them a distinct flavor that sets them apart from the crowd. Let emotion guide your composition. The most memorable melodies are often those that evoke strong emotions in listeners. To create truly mesmerizing music, let your emotions guide your composition process. Whether you're feeling joy, sadness, or nostalgia, channel those emotions into your playing and allow them to shape the melody. By infusing your music with genuine emotion, you'll connect with listeners on a deeper level. Why you should unlock your creativity. Unlocking your creativity as a fingerstyle guitarist can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only will it allow you to break free from the constraints of traditional songwriting techniques, but it will also enable you to express yourself in unique and captivating ways. By incorporating alternate tunings into your repertoire, you'll discover new sounds and textures that can inspire fresh ideas for melodies. Dynamic fingerpicking patterns will add depth and complexity to your compositions, while slides and hammer-ons bring character and expressiveness. Exploring unconventional rhythms opens up doors to innovation and sets your compositions apart from the rest. Finally, letting emotion guide your composition process ensures that every melody resonates deeply with listeners, leaving a lasting impact. How to implement these tips? Now that we've explored why unlocking your creativity is essential, let's dive into how you can implement these tips effectively. Start by experimenting with alternate tunings. Try different combinations until you find one that resonates with you. Practice dynamic fingerpicking patterns regularly. Challenge yourself by learning new patterns or creating variations of existing ones. Incorporate slides and hammer-ons gradually into your playing. Start by adding them sparingly before exploring more complex techniques. Study unconventional rhythms in various genres of music. Learn from different styles such as jazz or world music to expand your rhythmic vocabulary. When composing, tap into personal experiences or memories to infuse genuine emotion into each melody. This will help establish a strong connection with your audience. In conclusion, unlocking your creativity as a fingerstyle guitarist is an ongoing journey that requires dedication and experimentation. By incorporating alternate tunings, dynamic fingerpicking patterns, slides and hammer-ons, unconventional rhythms, and genuine emotion into your compositions, you'll be well on your way to crafting mesmerizing melodies. Remember to let go of any self-imposed limitations and embrace the freedom that comes with exploring new techniques. Your guitar playing will evolve, and you'll find yourself creating music that is truly unique, captivating both yourself and those who listen to your mesmerizing melodies. So grab your guitar, unleash your creativity, and embark on this musical adventure today.